Now, let us continue with the opening remarks from the head of Aceh Research Center, PUI PT Nilam Aceh, Universitas Syah Kuala. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Syaifullah Muhammad.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hamdan wa syukuran lillah, salatan wa salaman ala rasulillah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable speaker, guests, and also committee, thank you very much for this event. Actually, this event consists of 4 conferences and has been officially opened by Rector in this morning. But this time, special for ICONPEORI. ICONPEORI stands for International Conference on Patchouli and Essential Oil Research Innovation. So this conference is part of our effort to support the ecosystem of Aceh Patchouli industry, including also for Indonesia Patchouli industry, in terms of knowledge-based approach for support the development of industry for Patchouli in Indonesia. So actually we are at ARC has been work for around 12 years. Yeah, around 12 years. In our team, we have a lot of experts, start from upstream, expert in seeding and also cultivation and plant protection, until in the downstream, like a chemical engineer, and also for marketing, purified technology to develop derivative product of Patchouli, and many others areas. Usually I mention in our research center, we have around 80 professors, PhD and masters, who dedicate their knowledge, expertise, and also commitment to develop, to support our community in Patchouli industry in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, this ICONPEORI actually is the 3rd event that we have been conduct. Usually we conduct ICONPEORI every 2 years, yeah, every 2 years. So this is the 3rd one, but this is the 6th years that we develop the conference. ICONPEORI a little bit different with almost academic conference, because this is not only academician here, but also professional like Pak Ju and also Ibu Ririn, for example. Yeah, Pak Ju from ILO, International Labour Organization. Ibu Ririn is from Good Forest Indonesia. There is one of NGO big from based on in German. Yeah, that support Patchouli in Kalimantan Tengah, yeah, center Kalimantan. Yeah. And also we are very happy. We have my friend Professor Asna here. She is professor from Malaysia, Terengganu in the past, yeah, and she come many times to Banda Aceh, and we develop collaboration in the future for the Patchouli. And of course, special guest today, my friend from France, Guillaume Jess. I think you can hear me, Guillaume. Are you at France at the moment, right?
Yes, I can.
Yes, okay. Thank you very much, Guillaume.
That's very good. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Yeah. Guillaume is one of the professional in the company, oil and gas. But in the last 2 years, we connect to develop also some program in community development for Patchouli. So thank you for coming today, and also respective speaker, Professor Chudewi, and also Professor Ratna here or not? Yeah? Okay, today and tomorrow we have 3 sessions. This afternoon we have 3 speakers, keynote speakers, Professor Chudewi, Jilom Jess, and Pak Jo, yeah, Pak Jo. And tomorrow morning, the speakers will be Professor Asna, Dr. Ratna, Ibu Ririn, and Pak Aswandi dari BRIN, and Professor Saripah from University of Pajajaran, Bandung. So, welcome to Banda Aceh, and welcome to this conference. I hope we can share your expertise, and we can discuss about many possibility in the future for development of Patchouli for our community in Aceh and Indonesia. Enjoy this conference. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.